Hello my students, how are you? Grade 3. Today we'll solve sheet number 13 till lesson 40, chapter 3. Use the chart and find each product. 8 times 2, its meaning plus 8 times 2 equals 16. Okay, you can write the answer here. Look at with me about the answer. First question. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 5 times 9 equals 45. 6 times 8, 48. 2 times 10 equals 20. 8 times 10 equals 80. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 9, 54. 7 times 8, 56. 9 times 9, 81. 8 times 9, 72. Okay? Next question. Review with me. 10 times 3 equals 30. 8 times 1 equals 8. 7 times 9 63. 5 times 8 equals 40. 7 times 10 equals 70. 8 times 9 72. 5 times 10 equals 50. 4 times 8 32. 3 times 9 27. 3 times 8 24. Next question. We have here 4 times 6 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 6 36. 3 times 4 equals 12. 7 times 10 equals 70. 3 times 6 equals 18. 4 times 4 equals 16. 0 plus times 7 equals 0. 8 times 8 64. 6 times 9 54. Okay, understood? Next question. Which root is the correct statement or false? Question letter A. We have 702,000, 72,000. 72 again, 700. This number here we have 702,000, 72 in standard form. Then question letter A, it's false. So what's question letter A? Question letter B. 7 meter and 70 millimeter. 7 meter we can convert from meter here, okay, it's meter to millimeter product by 1000. Then 7 meter it will be 70 millimeter, so it's B false. Question letter B false. The result must be equal 70,000. Okay, next question. The place value of digit 7 in the number 372,604 is 10,000. Yes, the place value of digit 7 here is 10,000. 7 lies in 10,000 place. Then the answer about letter C true. Understood? Next question, letter D. The tally marked here we have 5 plus 5 10, 10 11 12 13. The result here will be 13. This answer not correct. The letter D, the answer must be 13. Then you must write false. Okay, next question. 9 groups of 10, it's meaning 9 product by 10. 9 product by 10. And 0 equals 0 times 9. It will be true because the product between two numbers here is 0. 0, okay? 13 hundredths, it will be 13 product by 100. And 130 tens, then the result will be equivalent. Okay, 13 hundredths equal 130 tens. Next question. The chart, write the answer here. Write multiple of 5 are 5 common multiples of 5, 10 greater than 10 smaller 100. We can write here multiples of 5 greater than 10 and smaller. He won't find 5 multiples of 5 or extra numbers. Okay, he won't write 5. We won't write 5 common multiple of 5 and 10 greater than 10 and smaller 100. We can first write multiples of 5. The multiples of 5 here it will be 5, but he asked about greater than 10 like 15. Okay, start by 15, 20. What's the time? 85, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, okay, and so on. And we can find the multiples of by 10 greater than 10. It will be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, because less than or smaller than 100. So we want to find the common multiple of 5 and 10. The common multiple 5 and 10, it will be 20 here, 30, 40, 50 وهكذا. okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Why? Because the least common multiplication between two numbers equal 10. 10 can divide it by 5. Then if you want to find the common multiple between 5 and 10, we must find the multiples of 10. 10 just after 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? Next question. Okay, it's last question here. Okay, I will give you examples like this to understood. Okay, look at with me. What about 5 product by 90? Who can tell me the answer here? We can use distributive properties. 19 equal 10 plus 9, and then we can write 5 times 10, and then 5 times 9. 5 times 10, 50, and 5 times 9, 45. 5 plus 0, 5, and 5 plus 4 equal 9. Then the result will be 95. Okay, and also we can find the least common multiplication between two numbers 2 and 3. The common multiples of 2 and 3, we can write 2 times 3 equals 6, because 2 and 3 we call that relatively prime numbers. Then 6 is the least common multiplication between two numbers, and then we can find common multiples. Start by 6, 12 plus 6 all the time, 18 plus 6, 24 plus 6 equals 30. Okay, and what about the tables here? 6 product by 11, it will be 66. What about 6 times 12? We can add 6 to this number. 66 plus 6 equals 72. And 6 product by 13, add 6 also. It will be what? 6, the result will be 78, and so on. Okay, and 6 times 14, 86 also to this number. It will be 84, and so on. Okay, you must know the properties about multiplication to find the product between any two numbers, like distributive properties or commutative and associative properties.